What if I told you that you could earn your first $1,000 online without leaving your house? Not by chance, not by gambling, but using real methods that work in 2025. I went from $0 to $1,000 myself, and today I'm going to share the exact ways I did it. Some methods are easy to start, some take a little skill, but all of them are completely legitimate. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap to start making money online, even if you've never done it before. Let's start. 10. Freelancing. Use your skills to get paid. Freelancing is one of the fastest ways to start earning online. People need help with writing, graphic design, video editing, coding, or social media management. Platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer connect you directly with clients. When I started, I offered simple writing services. At first, I earned only a few dollars per project, but by delivering high-quality work consistently, I got better reviews and more clients. Within a month, I was earning $300 to $400 just by dedicating a few hours each day. The key is to start small, focus on one skill, and gradually take on larger projects. Over time, you can even specialize and charge premium rates. Freelancing gives you control over your income and schedule, making it a powerful online earning method. 9. Digital products. You sell once, earn multiple times. Creating digital products is another method I found extremely effective. You can sell ebooks, templates, online courses, or even stock photos. The best part? You make the product once and it can generate income for months or even years. I started by creating a simple ebook about productivity hacks. After listing it on marketplaces like Gumroad and Etsy, I began earning $50 to $100 per week with almost no effort after the initial setup. If you have knowledge or skills that others want to learn, packaging it as a digital product is a smart way to earn. It requires some upfront work, but once it's live, the income is mostly passive. 8. Tutoring online. Share your knowledge online. Tutoring has become one of the fastest growing ways to earn money in 2025. If you have expertise in a subject, you can teach students from anywhere in the world through platforms like Chegg, Preply, or even simple Zoom lessons. The demand for tutors is rising every year because parents and learners are increasingly turning to online learning for convenience and quality. When I started, I helped high school students with English and math. Each session paid between $15 and $20, and as word spread, I began receiving multiple bookings every week. The flexibility is amazing. You can set your own schedule and work from the comfort of your home. Beyond the pay, tutoring helps you improve your own skills and connect with people globally. If you enjoy explaining concepts clearly and helping others succeed, online tutoring can become a steady and reliable source of income. Over time, with more students, your earning potential can grow significantly. 7. Affiliate marketing. Earn by promoting products. Affiliate marketing allows you to earn a commission by promoting other people's products. You don't need to create your own products. You just share links. And if someone buys through your link, you earn a percentage. I use social media and a small blog to share useful products I genuinely liked. At first, I earned just a few dollars per sale, but once I built trust with my audience, commissions grew. Some affiliate programs pay 20% to 50% per sale, which can add up quickly. The key is to choose products relevant to your audience. Promote genuinely helpful items, and your recommendations will convert better. Over time, affiliate marketing can become a major source of online income. 6. Print-on-demand creativity that pays. Print-on-demand is perfect for people who enjoy creative work. You design t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, or posters, and companies like Printful or Teespring handle production and shipping. You earn a profit on every sale without holding inventory. I started by designing simple motivational quotes for t-shirts. It took a few hours to set up my store, but sales started trickling in within days. By the end of the month, I made around $200 to $300 passively. Success in print-on-demand depends on understanding trends and creating designs people actually want to buy. Once your store is running, it's mostly automated, allowing you to focus on creating more designs and growing your income. 5. Stock photography and video. Turn photos into cash. If you enjoy photography or videography, selling stock content can be a consistent source of income. Websites like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, and Pond5 allow you to upload photos and videos, and you earn a commission every time someone downloads your content. I started with simple lifestyle photos taken with my phone. At first, earnings were small, just a few dollars per download, but as my portfolio grew, I earned hundreds per month. The advantage is that once your content is uploaded, it can continue earning indefinitely. Consistency is key. Upload regularly, focus on quality, and pay attention to what people are searching for. 4. Micro tasks. Quick work, Fast payouts. Microtask websites like Amazon Mechanical Turk, ClickWorker, and Appen pay small amounts for simple tasks such as data entry, surveys, or app testing. While each task pays a little, completing many tasks can add up. I started by doing simple surveys and data labeling tasks in the evenings. It wasn't huge money, maybe $50 to $70 per week, but it was fast, flexible, and required no special skill. Microtasks are ideal for beginners who want quick earnings while learning other online methods. They also help you get comfortable working online and managing multiple small projects efficiently. 3. YouTube and short-form videos. Content that pays content creation has exploded in 2025, especially short videos. Platforms like YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram Reels offer opportunities to earn through ads, sponsorships, or brand deals. I started by making simple educational videos using my phone. The first few videos barely got views, but once I learned basic editing and trends, my audience grew. Eventually, ad revenue started coming in, and I made around $100 to $200 in my first month. The key is consistency and providing value. Don't focus only on going viral. Focus on content that solves problems or entertains. Even small channels can grow steadily and become a full-time income source. 2. Remote customer service and virtual assistants. Many companies now hire remote workers for customer service, email management, or social media assistance. These jobs pay reliably and often allow flexible schedules. I took a virtual assistant role for a small business. Tasks included replying to emails, scheduling posts, and organizing spreadsheets. It paid around $12 per hour, and I could work from anywhere. If you are organized, good with communication, and reliable, virtual assistance is a steady way to earn online. Over time, you can even build a team and scale your services to earn more. 1. Investing online, growing money wisely. Once I had my first $500 to $1,000, I explored online investing. Apps like Robinhood, eToro, and crypto exchanges allow beginners to invest in stocks, ETFs, or cryptocurrencies with small amounts. I started with small, safe investments and reinvested profits. It's important to research before investing and avoid risky decisions. Over time, compounding can turn small earnings into larger income. Online investing requires patience and learning, but combined with other online income streams, it can help grow your money steadily. Making your first $1,000 online is achievable if you take action. The methods I shared, freelancing, digital products, tutoring, affiliate marketing, print on demand, stock content, micro tasks, content creation, virtual assistants, and investing, cover a wide range of skills and interests. You don't need to do all of them at once. Start with one method, learn it, and gradually expand. The key is consistency, patience, and improving your skills over time. Remember, the biggest challenge is starting. Once you take the first step, every following step becomes easier. Online earning is not just about money, it's about freedom, flexibility, and creating opportunities for yourself.